Hello and welcome. I'm Andrea Jean, and today I will be walking you through some powerful morning affirmations. You can use these affirmations any time of the day. Finally, I'll conclude by walking you through a powerful manifestation technique called the 369 method. Let's begin. Repeat these affirmations and these words as if they were your own. Attach visualization and feeling to these words. This will create a more profound and powerful impact in your life. I am calm and peace. I am determined and persistent. I am creative energy. I am strong. I am confident. I am energy and vitality. I am love. I am grateful. I am a wonderful creator. I am a money magnet. I am generous to all those around me. I am beautiful. I am loved. I am powerful. I am exactly where I need to be right now. I am doing amazing things in my life right now. I am attracting the right kind of people into my life. I am able to set boundaries that respect me and those around me. I'm building a successful business and doing what I love. I am filled with joy and zest for life. I am headed in the direction of my dreams. I am unstoppable. You are truly all of these things and more. Now I want you to take a moment to reflect upon the affirmation that stands out most to you. Which of these affirmations is speaking to you the most? Pay attention to the things that resonate most with you today. This is you tuning to your internal guidance system, and this is the best system and guidance that you can follow in anything that you do. I want you fully connected, your mind and body. So take a couple of moments to ground yourself, do a body scan and release any tension that you're holding on to, and concentrate on some good, deep breaths. Now, let's move into a powerful visualization technique, the 369 method. I want you to identify 3 things that you desire most in your life. Identify those things now. Say them to yourself or out loud. Narrow it to 3 things. For the next 27 seconds, you're going to visualize each of these 3 things that you desire in your life. For 9 seconds each, choose one of your items. Maybe it's a new car. Maybe it's a successful business. Maybe it's a loving relationship. I want you to visualize and attach feeling as if you already have this thing in your life right now. Moving on to the second item, visualize it so clearly in your mind's eye and feel what it would feel like to have already accomplished what you want to. And finally, moving on to the last item that you desire in your life. Visualize it so clearly right now. Good. I want you to visualize these 3 things that you desire so greatly in your life 6 times a day for 9 seconds each. 6 times a day for 9 seconds each. 3, 6, and 9. You will find yourself wanting to come back to this practice, these affirmations, frequently. You become what you think. You become what you think. So be sure to fill your mind today with all things that propel you and lead you on your path to success. Now go out and be the amazing creator that you are meant to be.